Hello knitters and crocheters. This is Jessica, the Lefty Knitter with KnitChats. Today I'm going to go through a couple of techniques. I'm going to show how to make a magic circle, left and right-handed. And then we are going to address some UK versus US crochet terms in case some people don't know. I leave a nice long tail. I have 100% tencel. And it's slick, and it will probably come undone. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay the tail yarn over your first two fingers, and then we're going to make an X out of it with the working side, and then hold in. I just kind of lock my yarn in like this, so I have an X. So in this, I'm going to go under my X and draw up a loop. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull that through, and that's a chain. So then you can chain again, and we're going to go into a double crochet. Yarn over, go through the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Why did I just work a double crochet? Well, I did that because in the UK terms they call for a treble crochet, but that's what it means in US terms. Now, this is a double US, a treble UK. Happy hooking!